children, today we are going to make balloons. Here we go guys. Please like, subscribe and please press the bell icon. Thank you again. First we will make the upper part of the balloon by using circle or oval shape. Then we will make the string of the balloon. Then we will start making another balloon. And we have to join the string with another balloon. Now we will start coloring the balloons. You can choose any color but we are choosing red. Now we will color another balloon. You can choose any color but we are choosing orange. Then we will outline with sketch color slowly. Same we will color with another balloon and join the stripe. But slowly you have to do, children. Now my drawing of balloons is completed. Thank you for seeing my video. Please like and share my video. Thank you very much.